How many of you guys use AK Dash? Like you can raise your hand. Okay.
Nick.
Dude, it's super, I'm going to shamelessly plug it because Matt was talking about percentages, but the cool thing and handy thing about AK Dash to new guys is when you calculate, you're at, they have a cost calculator. So it's like you call the paint suppliers or seal coat suppliers around you, get the average, input that into your computer, input the numbers, and then it'll tell you where your margin should be. So if it's too high, it'll be like, oh, we're aiming for 60%, but you're at 78%. You're charging too much. So AK Dash is really good for that. If you guys haven't checked it out or you're writing on napkins, business deals, it's also super cool with the printout. I just did the AI takeoff for the first time this week. Yes. I don't have to sit at the computer and draw lines for 10 hours. You mean I pay $4 and it does it for me? My time's worth a lot more than $4. So it's a great system. There's certain things that you just don't take into account. Like there's an advanced payment calculator where you can add your office, your insurance, your daily costs, like Skylar and Matt were talking about. Like you can actually input all that to see how much you are actually making. How much are you making per hour? You do a job, $700, cost you $200. Oh, I made 500. No, you have insurance, you have bills, so it really helps you categorize everything. I'm computer illiterate. Excel, that's a monkey doing math for me. I can't do it. So for simple guys that are on the run, do the AK Dash.
Hey, 100%. I second that. Best purchase you could make if you want to hit the ground running and really look professional. I'm telling you, I have had people, performance partners, when I send them a quote over and they're like, holy Paul, how long have you been doing? Where did you get this from? How can we set this up? Never mind. And they just send their customer what I sent them. It
true.
is an amazing tool.
It's
Yeah,
true.
dude.
My recent bids have been dialed in with that new system update that they did.
Yeah.
And it's like, not only do you get to give a company headline and it's a 9-page report. So you get a company headline, you get the about us section where you can be like, hey, we're local dingbats, whatever. But then it does like the map view,
payment terms,
the line view, the
line
contract term.
items.
So I sent it
everything
out.
is broke down line item wise.
I
It's
think
beautiful. They can
I
see
honestly think because I broke it down so much is why I landed these last 3 jobs this week, because it said, 1,850 linear feet. That's what I'm charging. Here's what I'm charging, and you get a price breakdown on everything. So it's super handy for guys that are not office